Good morning students, class 7, chapter number 15, perimeter area, exercise 15.3. In the previous video, we have complete out exercise 15.3 up to question number 7. Now we start question number 10. In the question number 10, it is given that area of a triangle is 110 centimeter square and the base of the triangle is 20 centimeter. And we have to find out altitude of the triangle. Altitude we have already defined in the previous video. So altitude, its mean height of the triangle we have to consider. So firstly we draw a triangle and we suppose it is a triangle ABC whose base may be considered this or this. इट इज डिपेंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द हाइट. अगर हम हाइट इस तरह से शो कर रहे हैं देन इट इज द बेस. सो बेस इज 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट हाइट यानी कि एल्टीट्यूड. तो नाउ वी यूज एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल फार्मूला एंड वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इक्वल टू हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. द फार्मूला वी डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस. सो नाउ स्टार्ट. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So in this question area is given, base is given and we have to find out height. So it's mean half into 20 centimeter into height is equal to area. It means 110 centimeter square. So the value of height is 110 upon 10. It means 11 centimeter. So it is very easy. It means altitude of the triangle, if we taking base as a 20 centimeter, its value is 11 centimeter. So I show the question is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we start question number 11. The question number 11 is the same question number 7. What is the question number 11? Two sides of a parallelogram are 6 and 4 centimeter. So we just draw a parallelogram ABCD. Its two sides 6 centimeter and its side 4 centimeter. Because we know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. It is 6 centimeter, so it is also 6 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter, so it is also 4 centimeter. The height corresponding to the base CD is 3 centimeter. इनके हम CD को एज अ बेस कंसीडर करें तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हाइट इज गिवन 3 सेंटीमीटर. इट्स मीन इस पर अगर हम एक परपेंडिकुलर एल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ करें सो इट्स हाइट इस लेंथ इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. And we suppose that it is CE. So value of AE is 3 centimeter. So in the first part we have to find out area of parallelogram ABCD. So first part we have to find out area of parallelogram ABCD. And we know that the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to base multiply height. And if we take base as a 6 centimeter and height as a 3 centimeter, so 6 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter, it means 18 centimeter square. Now second part. In the second part, the height corresponding to the base AD, and we have to find out height of the parallelogram again, but taking base as a AD whose length is 4 centimeter is given. So we have to find out altitude this, and we suppose it is a point F. So we have to calculate length of CF, and we can use the area of parallelogram again. It means again area of parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. It means taking base as a 4 centimeter and the height, which is CF, is equal to 18 centimeter square. And now we transfer 4 centimeter from LHS to RHS. So value of CF is equal to 18 upon 4. It means its value is 4.5 centimeter. So I sure the question is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 13. In the question number 13, सबसे पहले हमें शो करना है, शो दैट साइड्स 5 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 13 सेंटीमीटर मेक अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. तो हमें शो करना है कि अगर हम ट्राइंगल में 3 साइड कंसीडर करते हैं तो इनसे एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल कंसीडर होगा. एंड वी नो दैट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल कि हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर. अगर ये तीनों साइडें उस पाइथागोरस थ्योरम की प्रॉपर्टी को फुलफिल करती हैं, देन वी कैन से दैट इट इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो इन दिस 3 साइड्स आर गिवन. तो फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट स्क्वायर ऑफ लार्जेस्ट साइड. इट्स मीन 13 स्क्वायर whose value is 169. Now we have to find out sum of squares of other two sides. Other two sides. It means 12 square plus 5 square. 144 plus 25. It means 169. So we observe that the square of the largest side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So we can say that it is a right angle triangle. So ABC is a right angled triangle. It is a right angle triangle, and because it is a right angle triangle, क्योंकि ये एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, सो ये साइड एंगल अपोजिट टू लार्जेस्ट साइड इज कॉल्ड राइट एंगल. सो इट्स मीन एंगल ए इज 90 डिग्री. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट लेंथ ऑफ द एल्टीट्यूड. एल्टीट्यूड माने हाइट ऑन द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड. सबसे बड़ी वाली साइड पर जो एल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ हो रहा है उसकी लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. It means we have to find out length of AD, and we can use the concept of area of triangle, and we know that area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle ABC, it means half into base into height. It means 1/2. Taking base as a 5 centimeter and height as a 12 centimeter. 5 centimeter into 12 centimeter. It means 13 centimeter square. And we now area of triangle find formula again. Taking base as a 13 centimeter and height AD. So half into base into height is equal to 30 centimeter square. It means 1/2 into 13 centimeter into AD is equal to 30. And now we have to find out value of AD. So value of AD is equal to 60 upon 13 centimeter. And we can note down its value may be 4:8 upon 13 centimeter. या तो इसकी वैल्यू या फिर इसकी वैल्यू आएगी 4.6 सेंटीमीटर. तो आई श्योर द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. जस्ट नोट डाउन. Okay students, now we discuss question number 15. In the question 15, find the side of the square whose area is 1 acre. यानी कि एरिया ऑफ अ area of a square is 1 air. 1 air. 1 air is a unit to represent area, and we know that 1 air is equal to 100 meter square. So area of square equal to 100 meter square, and we have to find out its side. So what is the area of square formula? Its side square. So side square equal to 100 meter square, and we know that 100 is the square of 10. So we can say that side is equal to 10 meter. And now आपको एरिया फाइंड करना है अगर स्क्वायर की साइड को डबल कर दिया जाए. इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट अगर हम स्क्वायर की साइड को डबल कर दें, डबल मीन अगर हम इसकी साइड को 20 मीटर कर दें, इफ साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 2 multiply 10 meter, it's mean 20 meter. So what is area? So area of the square is equal to, again formula same, side square, it's mean 20 meter multiply 20 meter. So its mean value is 400 meter square या फिर 4 air, because 1 air equal to 100 meter square. And in the second part अगर हम इसकी साइड को हाफ कर दें, तो इन द सेकंड पार्ट अगर स्क्वायर की साइड को हाफ कर दिया जाए, हाफ मीन हाफ ऑफ द 10 इज 5 मीटर, इट्स मीन 10 मीटर अपॉन 2, इट्स मीन 5 मीटर. सो एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर 5 मीटर मल्टीप्लाई 5 मीटर, इट्स मीन 25 मीटर स्क्वायर. So I sure the question is clear. In the next video we continue exercise 15.4. Thank you very much.